Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Deep Explorer. Ever stared into a glass box and felt peace? That's not just water and fish. That's an ecorium. But what is an ecorium? Welcome to Deep Explorer, powered by Matsya Aqua Design, where nature meets art inside glass. An ecorium is a living, breathing ecosystem inside your home. It's not just a fish tank. It's a small-scale natural environment, balanced and self-sustaining. Plants act as filters, shrimp clean the tank, bacteria break down waste, and everything works in harmony. Now let's observe the difference between traditional aquariums and ecoriums. Unlike typical aquariums which use plastic decor and artificial filters, ecoriums rely on nature itself to thrive. So what makes ecoriums special? They require minimal machinery, less maintenance, and sometimes no machines at all. Cool, right? With the right balance, you might not even need to change the water for months. They're calm, quiet, and full of life. You can raise moss, ferns, shrimps, snails, and microorganisms you never see. They're also educational, perfect for homes and classrooms where kids learn by watching nature work. Building an ecorium is about balance, not just beauty. Use natural elements like lava rocks and driftwood, gentle creatures like shrimp or snails, and plants like java moss and anubias. So now you know an ecorium is not just a fish tank, it's a tiny world. In our next episode, we'll show you how to build an ecorium step by step. Subscribe to Deep Explorer and bring nature home. Thank you.